Test. Testing. Is this working? I don't know. Test. Okay, I think it is working. I'm gonna put the chat over here, and hopefully that doesn't fall. Yay, okay. I'm gonna wait for like maybe 2 other people, and then I'm gonna start. I think now, since the scoreboard, the splits didn't save for some reason, I'm just going to be, just screw the splits. I'm just starting off where I left off, which was 2:30, 34. I'm not going to be doing these in order anymore. I'll do them as I want. So whatever seems easiest probably. And then I'll go back and do the other ones after. I want to see. All right, so there's 3 people now. Okay, I want to see if it's possible to beat the top either than CTF admin, which is just, I want to see if it's possible to beat LeBron GOAT in like less than an hour. So I'm just gonna do the overweighted ones first. Um, Here, I'm gonna put this to unsolved because that would be easier. All right, someone joined and then left. Sad. Oh, I got the purple status. Oop. All right. You know what? I'll just start now and wait for people to join. Up, Ross is typing. All right. I guess I'll start now. I just want to make sure this works. It does. Okay. And start. Okay, that should be working. All right. Let's see what we can do. I'll do I'll do birds. I feel like birds won't be too hard. Famous last words. Can I just okay. So this is just a font challenge. Probably here. Just gonna check what it looks like. All right. So that's not it. Is that it? Is that all of the bird ones? What? This looks like it, right? Because that bird is that bird. I'm gonna check that. Uh, this I think. Yeah, that's definitely it. Bro, fastest bird solve? What? how do I do this though? Try it. I want to reverse the font. Do I have to? Alright, I'll do it manually. I'm gonna check this is correct. That's a swan. Here, I'm gonna open Notepad as well. Alright, I opened too many. No, no. Alright, let's see. I think that's F. Wait, no. God, this challenge is gonna suck. Well, it should be G first, so yeah, G, alright. So we can just assume the first part is that. Uh, so what is this? That's the same thing, that's also a G. Giant duck. What is this? Where's giant duck? I think it's that. Yeah, that looks like it. Underscore. This is tall flamingo thing. That. No, that's the one after. Okay. Okay. Is it U or T? I can't see. I think U has a white beak. Alright. Yeah, it's T. And then the other one was O. And then underscore. That's the big duck. What is that? Is that like a... Okay. Small. It looks like a parrot. Not that. R. Okay. Uh, Eagle thing. Claws. That's N. Uh, Pecking downwards is that. That. Okay. One. Underscore. Another big duck. It's got like a very curved back. It's that one. I think that's. Yeah, that's it. Uh, Claw. One of these. I think that's 4. Uh, the other one, and that's 1 again. And then this is another eagle-looking thing. Flying. I think it's G. No, because G is angled downward. Okay. I? No. L maybe? Yeah, it's L. Okay. Alright, that's it. Please, please don't get anything wrong. Birds? Pog. I'm not gonna press any buttons because just the splits mean nothing now. What else is good? 16, 10, 8, net. Okay, Cyber Chef moment. Uh, can I just magic this, please? No? Alright. What's the hints? Base. Uh, okay, so it's converting bases. 16 is hex. 10 decimal. 8 is octal, I think. Then net 10 backwards. That's decimal again. I'm assuming backwards means opposite operation. This does not seem to have worked. Maybe it's the other way. Uh, 1610 decimal again. Octal, and then opposite. 10. For what? What is this? Just give me the flag. Did I? Was I right the first time? So, what is this challenge? 16, 10, 8 net. Okay. 16 hex 10 shit, decimal octal decimal 0. Okay, does this do anything? No. Maybe I have to set the delimiter. This doesn't look like from hex though. Yeah, this is nothing like hex. Hmm. Okay, well, let's do this one at a time. Hex. 2 hex. Alright. Maybe this doesn't need a space. Decimal. Okay, so each of these going to decimal would be, it's just no space. How do I just want no space. Um, how do I make this no space? I wanna 8 octal still space. Uh, Decimal again. What the hell am I doing? Did I two decimal, two octal? Okay, from decimal. What do you mean data is not a valid byte array? This challenge sucks. I'm saying it. Is there any other two decimal? Do I have to? I'm gonna try the other way. Uh, Hex decimal. Actually, this can't be from hex. This has to be 2 hex. Decimal. Uh, Octal. Uh, Decimal. It's gonna be from. Oh. Okay, so that creates something that looks like this, which is what we see before. So we need to reverse this. So first off, we need to make it go from whatever this is. So here, we need to get it from from this uh, to this, right? So this is turning this into decimal, or it's parsing it as decimal, right? So we need to unparse each of these ones. So A would be back to 65. So to do that we do 2 decimal, right? And then we need to go octal because that's the next one. And do the same thing. Actually, this time we reverse. So from octal, and then from decimal, and then the last one is from hex. And that gives us the thing back. So if we remove the things that encoded this, right? And then we put our thing in, this should work. Pog. It's not so bad of a challenge. I was just being dumb. Alright. What's next? What is EP7? I think this is just SQL, right? So first try. Bro, what the hell? Why are these challenges so overweighted? Who? It's like the easiest thing in the book. I'm trying it again. Oh, wait. Okay. Uh, let's see what causes that. Uh, so it's the or thing. I just have to find a substitute for or. Maybe I can use and. Uh, oh, I can do that. What is this? Is this That seems like it would be 2 hex. Yeah, it's 2 hex. So I just have to do sad. Well, they said they were using SQLite, right? Okay. Uh, so I'm guessing I can just do Maybe I just, does it have to log in as admin? Maybe I can just, right, so that would do where username equals admin and then ignore the password. Oh, pug. Okay. That didn't take too long. Mm. Am I being evaded? What? Go to blank. See if you can get the password. Oh, okay. See if I can get the okay, so it's not just login. I have to what is this? Blind SQL? Okay. I have to, what's it called? Brute force each part of the password bit by bit. So, um is OR blocked? All right, it's fine. So I have to make it so that what's it called? Each time I have to do a little bit of the password, and then if I remember correctly, I have to do like one extra character of the password, and then check if that's the correct password, because I'm assuming the password is the flag. Uh, so if I do something like or uh, so 1 = 1 is fine, right? But I need something that says uh or password uh what's it called? Or maybe and actually. No, I think or I don't know. I think there's a like operator in SQL. Okay, so uh where password like blank. So %sign and underscore. Okay, so I would put one thing here and then percent, right? And then it would go and check is password like whatever this character is, and then percent. Uh, so let's try that. I'm assuming it's password, right? And then like blank percent. G percent. Copy this. Okay, that didn't work. I think I have to put quotes. Probably. Okay, good. And then if I um, if I make this not G, this should fail. Okay, good. All right. So gnsCTF. I don't want to do this manually, but I really don't know any other. Oh, actually, I can. I know. Shit. Last time I tried to do something not manually, it just took longer. I don't know if this will take longer if I do it not manually. Alright, I'm just gonna do it not manual. Actually, no, it's gonna take forever if I do it not manually. Um, unless the flag is like one character. Time to code. For I need to get through every character, right? And then I have to well, let's just try something first. Fetch. I don't remember how fetch works. Oh, I can just do this like here. Network. Right. Copy as fetch. And then if I go back here and paste this, let me do the thing. Okay. Um, so we just need to make sure this has the word success in it. Usually I can just use Python and just check. Uh, like I can do like that. Does that work in JS? False. Okay. Oh, wait, no, I have to do it here. Or I think it's data.contain or data.includes. Or maybe data.index. I'm just gonna try includes. Okay. And then if I change this to something else, perhaps that this should be false. Okay. Uh, this needs to be something else. Wait, if I just one sec. Can I just do it normally? That would be a lot easier. Uh, what was it again? Right, and this should work, and this should not work. Pog. Alright, so now all I have to do is hope that they don't put, you know what, actually, I forgot. There are much better ways of, you know what, hmm, I think I can just use char code from 0 to 255, right? Okay, yeah, that'll work. Um, oh my god, this isn't Java. For I equals 0, I less than 255. And then we have to do can I edit values from inside callbacks? Hello, Aidenden. I don't think I can. Uh, flag plus equals and then that should work, right? I, and then if all this works, please work. Oh, that's nice to know because I have no good debugging here. I think it's here. Oh, it does the, okay. Because it's, what's it? I think it's going through, like it's trying to put another one of those single quotes and then it ends the statement and then all of that. I guess I could just, $39. So if I just block out 39, it should be fine. this code is so spaghetti. Yes, I did long live the king a while ago. What's it? Huh? That's awkward. Let's just see. Maybe I can be a little cheap about how I do this. It only needs 48 to 125. Yeah, I think it's... Honestly, I'm fine with just console.logging this. That does not look right at all. What? Okay, just for now, 65 to 90. I'm so confused. What? What am I doing wrong here? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this another way. It is now only allowed to use these. Wait, is it just gnsCTF B? Am I getting like completely... Oh my god, I hate this challenge. I don't hate it, I just hate that I might be like way... Okay, good. I would have been mad if it was just B. capital B. Maybe it needs an underscore. And okay, can I have some more than just that? Does it need a... Oh, it probably needs these. What else would it need? Am I missing a letter? Up. I see the chat. The challenge is broken. What? What do you mean? It's broken? You have to ask an admin what the flag is once you think you got it. Okay. Am I... It's just not case sensitive? Okay. Is it not adding? Oh, it's not adding anything to the flag. I'm an idiot. Oh. Oh no. How do I... But I can't even edit the flag from... Okay, I'm doing it manually then. Is that a 1? I can just copy paste. I don't care. Yeah, I think that's a 1. Okay, so it does underscore now. Uh, I think it's just that. That's not. Oh, hey, I'm there. Um, I mean, I can just look at the challenge repo to be honest, but that feels like I'm doing something very wrong. Uh, you know what? I'm just gonna do that because it's like, well, contact an admin. I am one. I hope I don't leak anything. That would not be nice. I'm gonna actually make sure I don't leak anything. You can see how bad of a streamer I am. Uh, okay, never mind. I am an idiot. I didn't get it right. This challenge is a little bit scuffed. Maybe I should just take the underscore out. Would that mess anything up? I don't think it would. God, how long is this? Okay, that's it. Am I being dumb? Gotta do this thing again. Alright, I think I know. I skipped one while I was doing the dumb things. So this should still be working. Yeah. What? What? Okay, I'm redoing it now. I don't understand why this is being done. Bro, just let me copy, please. I love manually doing this. I love JavaScript callbacks. They're so good. They're so amazing. They can do so much. Alright, here we go. If this doesn't work, I'm quitting. Quitting the entire CTF. Alright, boys. Uh, did I? Wait. I'm molding. I'm molding. I'm copy pasting the flag. This counts. This is so. Doesn't even work. How am I a clown? It's not case sensitive though. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Is it like an obvious mistake? Am I just bad? You didn't copy paste the entire thing? Yes, I did. Is there more? It says true. This should work. There are no underscores. Here, wait. I'm gonna show you guys. Or when you shit. Or password like uh this, right? But I have to do this. And this should work. And it is, yeah, see, it works fine. Yeah, there are no underscores. Where am I supposed to get the cases from? Ah. All right, let's go. Let's move on to something else while we get the flag. What is this? Um. Oh yeah, this is a continuation. All right. All of these have been in the cookies so far, so I'm just assuming this is a token. I can do this in CyberChef actually. I think I can. Okay. Okay. Um, let's just see what we need in order to. What is? All right. So I think I don't know what level of Swifty I'm supposed to have, but I'm gonna try. I remember there's a website for this. Listen, 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 okay? The challenge was bugged. I'm blaming it on uh on Nick. Alright. So if I change this to true and I change this to 100 and that doesn't work. What? What did I do? Did I? Do I need like a thing to? Uh, invalid token. Okay. Uh, read the source code. There's source code. What am I throwing? There is source code. What? Who would know? It's definitely not in the challenge description. That's a public key server. I'm assuming these are just not useful at all. I think this is the useful one. I can open this in VS Code. This won't open in WordPad, right? Nice. Listen, I could very much easily beat the other team if I just did all the pawn ones right now, but those aren't fun because I made them myself. So it's like, I'll do them later. All right. Uh, uh, generate token off of data, right? So if we just change the data as private key, we don't know the private key. Uh, is it even? Okay, so first off, if token is not valid token, so if it It can't be decoded with the public key. We need this. We need that. So this is done in RS-256. Don't know what that means. Oh, no one even solved this during the CTF. Okay. That's interesting. So this won't work. It's going to say invalid token. So we need to create a valid token. Signing key. It needs. What's the signing key though? Can't even edit it here. Okay. Is it none? Like, I know none exists. I just don't think it'll work. Because it also has to validate the token, and I don't think that'll pass. Because it's validating it against the public key, and just putting none in it still won't give you anything that matches the public key. Can't even. Here, wait. See, like, validate token checks against a public key, right? Uh, so if it just decodes something that's not encoded with a private key, it's not going to work. If you need to encode it with the private key, and I'm gonna do this challenge later. I'm gonna do all the pawn first, just so I can have a little break. Now we wait for VS Code. The greatest. Okay, here we go. All right. Uh, what? Why does it? Why did I leave a space? All right. This is just flag, and then you have an answer, and the answer has to be that. So we need a same exploit, but with now with added arguments. That okay. So this will just that will give a flag address, and then after that we also have to add some filler for EBP and some registers, which is 12 bytes, and then P64 OXB, and that should work, right? Oh, actually, it's P32. I think it's P32. Let me check. Okay, it is P32. We'll change that as well, and that should be it. Actually, wait, we need to. Why is this taking forever? Oh, okay. I think I did some extra. There's definitely one for EBP. Okay, this should work. Alright. Next one is. Come on, submit. Alright, next one is cram. Half of the challenge is just downloading the files. Because my computer is slow, despite being not. Actually, it's not that slow, it's just I'm streaming right now, so it is that slow. Hello, hello, new person. I am not the most entertaining, um, but I will try. And I'm not going to speedrun this challenge. I'm gonna go through it normally because it's a fun challenge. And I'm not gonna do the cheese way either because it's a fun challenge. So we will now check out the challenge. Oh. Okay, I am selling cram. I am selling multiple crams, very different flavors. Yes, yes. You will receive cram upon paying me 20 gold coins. I don't have the voice for this. Um, so let's try this one. We have berry cram, raspberry cram, very berry cram, so a cram sword, and the flag. So I'm just gonna cram sword, please. Cram sword. All right. That's fun. Let's do info. You see, now there's 0 in stock. There was 1 before, but I forgot to show that because I'm bad. It has a price, it has a description, all of that, right? Let's check out the flag. Shrouded in mystery, this item is very valuable. Legend says that the shop owner will give it when they have nothing left. We have to bankrupt the shop. We have a balance of 10, and there are 999 buried crams, so that isn't happening. Um, so let's leave and look at the code. And after realizing, get here, I'll make it even better. Oh, it uses gets. Okay, so it gets into input. Uh, and input is mallocated, so it's on the heap, not the stack. So we can't overwrite any return pointer, but we have a heap overflow. And then when we check how to get the flag, we can see if we make the person bankrupt by taking 0 stock, making sure we buy everything, they'll give us the flag. So we need to make everything 0 on the stack, on the heap, sorry. So let's do this. Oh, I also want to show this off. This is cool. This is why pawn DBG is the best. I will show you as soon as it loads. Let's do this in the meantime. Please. Okay. Let's run it. Okay, now if we check the heap right now, we can see a whole bunch of things which are not entirely useful at the moment, except for the fact that they are. I'm lying. Deceit. If we get data at this address, we can see it is a heap. This is the size. These are some pointers. We can see what a cram looks like. It has a name, which is a car pointer, description, price, stock. So this should be an address, int variable, int variable. So if we check this, we can see this is the size. This is, it's 64-bit, by the way. This is the pointer to the name. So if we get data at here, we can see this is the berry cram. And we can also see the description by using this pointer, right? They also have variables. This is 14. I think that's 20 actually in decimal, and this is probably 999 in decimal. And we can see followed up is another one of these size, value, more values. Also, input. Input isn't even here, but we can find it. It should be the first thing, right? So if we check it out, the heap again, should be there, right? Why is it doing that? This is 3C. If we check what 3C is, it's probably some ASCII thing. So let's continue on and then choose number 2, right? So now if we check it again, we see that it has not changed because I was reading from the wrong value. What is 32 in hex? Or what is 2 in hex? I will not be able to tell you because my browser is slow. This is faster. Okay. God, my computer is slowing. Oh. I think you'll just have to trust me on this if this doesn't start up soon. Okay, we'll use Python instead. That shoot, what do I do? I'm being dumb. I'm being very dumb. We're doing it this way. God, why is this? I just want to show something. Alright. The actual character 2 is represented by hex 32, and we just put 32 in there. So this value right here is this is our input, and then following that is everything on the heap. So what we can do is we can just completely destroy the heap and make everything zeros until it all works. You can also not destroy the heap and leave some values the same, but because this is much easier, and because we're not doing anything else after, we can put a bunch of null bytes. We can actually calculate how much null bytes we need. Where was it? All right, so the heap starts here, it ends, I think, right over here, possibly? Because this is the sword, right? It has one in stock. So if we overwrite 50 minus B, oh, that doesn't seem right. 550 minus 4BO. We get 160, so 160 should work here. And then, so after we send our input as, God, what is this? Okay, after we send that input, we can send, actually, I'm just gonna, because this is easy enough, I can, okay, so right now it's overwriting all of the heap. We go into buy, we go into flag, we get our test flag. That works locally. Let's try it on the remote server. Boom, we get flag. Best challenge, except for circles. Circles is so much better. All right, now, next one. I want to see scoreboards. I think we're... yes. Okay, this is a very odd looking graph. We're continuing. We're doing more. Um, easy. Um, next what? Hello, welcome to the stream. We're giving up on all the EP5 ones because they suck. They're bad. They're garbage. Well, let's do debate club now. This one is less fun. It's still okay because pawn is best. I'm not going to explain this one as much as I did cram because cram is just the better challenge. I'm just going to kind of work through it and speed run it. we do the thing. Yes. Up doesn't work. Let's check why. Vuln. Oh, look, a get. It seems useful. Okay, yes, it goes to debate start, and debate start is useless. All right. So we need to get our way into all the other functions. So starting at 1, we need to get into question 1. So let's try that out. God, what is this chat? All right. Uh, this will not work. We need to go into, actually, let's just take the offset first. Okay, and then we can do payload plus equals, um, so let's try this out. Oh, hey, look, it went into that function. Very nice. Okay. Let's check where we need to go next. Probably question 2, and we have to do it with these arguments. So let's do that. So it also gives a gets thing, so we have to do payload q2 equals, and then how much are we overwriting here? 64. I'm not sure it'll be 64 actually. I think it's just question 2 because question 1 already has this over. Well, we'll see. Anyways, let's try. I can't type. I really cannot type. I'm putting the keyboard closer to me. Alright, and then we send and we see it does not work. So we understand, oop, we should probably put some stuff here. I think that many, perhaps. Still no. I think we also have to account for we have to account for the this thing, which should be here. Maybe. Oh, it's wait, is this even hold up. Hold up. Am I doing a dumb? I am doing a dumb. It's 32-bit. You'll love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Alright, let's go back to this. Perhaps it will work now. Perhaps I'm going to mute someone on the chat if they don't stop doing the weird things. Oh wait. God, imagine not being able to solve your own challenge because you just don't know how to pawn. Sad. Sad. Uh, Okay, yeah, I knew it. I was about to get very anxious if I forgot how to do my own challenge. We need to supply some arguments, uh, bad code. So those go, I think they go after, right? Right. I'm not making this up. Am I making this up? Oh, it has to be, okay. Yeah. I keep getting like, I keep messing up how much you need because I just compiled all of these so wrong. Um, okay, that works now. Now what? Now we must go to question 3 without killing the canary, which is after all this stuff. Um, so we overwrite, here, I'll show you guys. We have this, but then we have to make sure we don't do the bad and kill the canary. So we need to, I think this is it, right? Um, I don't think number 3 needs any arguments. No, it does not. And if we test it out, if we test it out, nothing works. What did I do? Oh, uh, all right, one round 2, final one. We have to go back. Actually, it's not the final one, but I think this is pretty simple. We did it. And then this stuff. But now we change it a bit. It should be, what's that? This. I don't think that worked. What did I do wrong? Oh, I never sent it. Okay. Me being stupid yet again. I'm finishing Swifty 3 after. Alright, that works. And now, final one. We just have to go to flag now. And this should work. Didn't work. What did I do wrong? I never sent it. I keep falling for my own mistakes. Multiple times. I killed the canary. I'm throwing. I'm absolutely throwing right now. This should work. Alright. Now we do that. Where did the problems go? Now we do that here. Uh, Blanking out. Pog. Actually, not Pog. This should have taken much less time. We're catching up. Zin, you're out of here. Get dunked on. I just have to solve like another challenge. What's easy? This is easy. Uh, this is also easy. Which is easier? I think this is easiest. Let me just check what it does first before I say something's the easiest. Pass cars plus I. We need a timestamp Terry. This is a timestamp Terry moment. What is this? I is not equal to password. God. This isn't bad code. I'm just not. I hate. I don't know. It would be so much easier to read in Python. All right. So password.toCarArray. I'm assuming password is the gnsCTF thing. Encrypted is 2 hex string plus I. So it's just increased by 1, right? Or actually, it's increased by the num. All right. So let's just first. The first one should be the correct. Uh, Come on, hex text. First one should be G. All right. So now we do a Python thing, and we're really disorganized. So we're doing it here. Uh, Actually, I can do it in here. Um, this is the thing, right? All right, that's the thing. And then we have to do int 16, I think. Uh, right. And then how do I get the index as well? You know what? I'll be smart about this. then this needs to get translated to a character, and then we join these together, and that should be it. And that doesn't work. What did I do? Does it have to be LMNOP? Do I have to subtract? All right. We get this. I'm passing Zin right now. I don't think I should do that next. It's underweighted. We did all of... Okay. What are the past events? I've never seen this challenge. Okay. I'm doing this later. I've never even, like... Huh. Alright. We'll do that later. Pawn is done. Rev is almost done. Web, not done. I can do circles. You guys want to see circles? Let's do circles. Yay, it's up. We'll pretend I wrote this code, because I did. I even put it in a write-up. I mean, I can write it out again, but it's just more writing. It's boring. All right. Oh wait, I have to actually enable overwrites. Me being dumb. It is up. What? Okay. I think you guys can hear this actually. Try. Can I even do this? Look back. Alright, break time. I don't even have the hit sounds on because they lag the game too much. Water. We'll be back. Bruh, it missed. Did I set the thing too low? Did I set it too high? Did it just lag? Ah. Oh no. I'm just gonna set this higher then. Maybe it lagged on a thing. Okay. I guess I might as well explain what it's doing while it's doing it. So it basically you have the bot which just sends the only thing it can do is send cursor packets and click packets, just updating its cursor position and it also when to click. So the beat map is already provided by a map event that sends all of the beat map information. So all you do really is just iterate through that beat map and move your cursor in the direction of the next circle. And you do that without moving too much, because if you do move it too much, it'll trigger the anti-cheat. And then you click whenever it's in the hit window, which is specified by the server as well, by a value called OD. This is very laggy. I think I know why it missed before. It's probably because I'm streaming. Got through that part. I don't know if it did that before. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. Just move in the direction of the next circle, but not too much, and then click when you can. And that's the bot. It's super overrated, considering I can't do EP5 or RSA, but this is easy. And the solution is easy too. I don't know why I overrated this. It's not that hard. Someone should have solved it. I see the lag. Oh no, please, just get through this. You can do it. Pog. Alright. So what you do here, you go into network, you get the flag. I think it's here, maybe? No. See, alright. This is the flag. We got it. We did it. Took no effort. uh, circles moment, and we probably passed. Up, we're up to Ankit. Ankit, you're getting past now. RSA time. See, last time I didn't realize this, but I actually downloaded the tool from a previous CTF that automatically does this for you. So instead of doing this by hand, we are going to be doing it with the help of RSA CTF tool. If it loads. All right, so we supply N and E. Because we have those, and we also have to uncipher something. So dash N is going to be this. Dash E is going to be this. And then uncipher that. And now we wait. Shouldn't take too long though. I think we can actually specify which attack we want, but I don't think any of these will not work just because it's a basic challenge. So we're gonna let this one, whatever it is, do its job. Unless it takes forever, in which case we will be using factor DB. After this, I want to do maybe shifty, maybe hamming. Also, pretty quick one. This finish. I'm just gonna. Did my VM crash? No. Come on. All right. We'll worry about that later. Let's actually maybe corrupted. I have PCRT. Oh my God, this it's lagging. All right, let's check this out. If it downloads, I think my computer is struggling here. God, what is this? Why is it taking? I could X out of this maybe. Might fix. so slow. I don't understand. It's just one thing. Please. Up, up. Okay. Come on. Please. I'm just trying to do a CTF. Speedrun, actually. It's 4 hours. It's been 4 hours. Half of the time is probably just spent, like, waiting for these downloads. Come on. Okay, we're doing speed up computer time. It's not even... I don't understand. How do I make computer fast? Computer too slow, how make computer fast? Is it VS Code? Is VS Code being troublesome as always? I don't know what to do. Finally, okay. Oh god, here they come. It's still so slow. I don't understand. This is dumb. I just wanna... been like what, maybe 10 minutes of just pure not being able to do anything. Oh God. I think I might restart my computer. Maybe it'll fix up the giant chunk of like lag. Bruh. I can't do anything. It won't let me. Hmm. Okay, I think I'm going to restart the computer, which is going to end the stream, but I can't even end the stream manually. Unless maybe optimize button, click. It's all VS Code's fault. Can't even open task. Maybe I can. Oh God, this lag. It works. You legend. Opening task manager. I didn't even do anything, but it opens and then everything fixes. All right. So let's do this. We're back. It's only been like 15 minutes. Uh, doesn't really matter, I guess. Having, what is this? Maybe like 4 hour, 5 hour. Oh God. All right. So let's PCRT this. Guess we have to rename this. What? Wait. No. Do we have to use Python normal? I think we do. Alright, that should work. Pog. That took so long for like nothing. Just because I can't even open the file. Underscore header. I think it's that. Fixed. Like that. Alright. There's probably another one to that. Double corrupted. Oop. What is this? Alright, so let's drag this into here. And then we can do maybe binwalk will be able to solve this. Nope. Doubt this will work. Alright, we need to find the header for a zip file. $54B34. I doubt that. Maybe? Maybe it is, because this 54B34. Let's try it. Uh, this is not up. There we go. Nothing. That's interesting. Definitely has something in it. I see flag.png. Uh, Open with hex editor. I'm guessing we just have to Okay, so 377A BC AF. 377A BC AF 27 1C. How many of these do we have to do? Uh, hmm. BCAF 271C. Let's try 1C. Overwrite. Alright, it did a thing. It notices that it exists. But I think I need to actually get 7Z. This is gonna take forever. Alright. Maybe I can install 7Z on Ubuntu. Might be quicker. Pog. do this one next. Dimensionally corrupted. This is probably one of those width challenges. I'll check. Error occurred. No, keep forgetting. Okay. So yeah, it's definitely because it has no width. All right. Let's check something. Chunk CRC, IDHR. Okay, so since the width is like this is probably I just finished double corrupted. I'm doing dimensionally corrupted. Since the correct CRC is doing this, it's probably basing it off of this width, this height, whatever the IDHR header would be with those heights. But we still need the correct CRC. So just changing the CRC won't work. We need to change the width and height based on the CRC, which is this. So no, don't do this. What did I do? No, okay. So what we need to do, this is the CRC. We need to make sure the width and the height are going to be this CRC. I think we can brute force it, maybe. Let me try. Alright, so I think we need to find what the IDHR header is going to be. IDHR up to this, right? Because it's because this is the CRC, so it goes up to here, and it doesn't include the CRC. Can I copy this like this? I'm just gonna like that. Okay. And then we also forgot what an IDHR. Okay, so it contains 4 bytes for width, 4 bytes for height, so this would be following IDHR. So this is 4 for width, which is 0, and 4, 4 for height. I'm assuming 3AA is, what is it, 938. So we have to brute force those. So I'm gonna take these out actually. Yep. Uh, pawn tools makes this easy. Uh, we can do this. Width, we'll make a width, and we'll also make a height. Yeah, let's do that now. Actually, we have to, the width and height aren't in little endian. Because if they were, they'd be on the other side, right? Uh, how do I make it big endian? Okay. I guess I'll use struct. Actually, I like pawn tools. How do I do it with pawn tools? So, is this just a width statement? I think that'll work. We need to make a width and height though, so and we have to brute force it. Uh, what would be good? We're going with the Mimi numbers. I don't think they would supply anything that's more than 9,000. Uh, Alright, so that's the IDA chart. So we need to use that right. But we also need to, what's it called? We need to check if the CRC is correct with the IDHR string. So how? I worked on a CRC problem before, I remember. 32-bit, I think. zlib? I think that looks correct. Okay, let's try that. And then we have to check if zlib.crc32 actually I think this just does it as a number, so that should be fine. Then can I just break it up? I don't know how Python works. I'm assuming that'll work. So it checks to see if that is that. I think we have to make these byte strings. Alright, I think it's working. Because it would probably take a bit. I actually have no idea if it's going to work or not. And this might take a bit. I'm gonna see something first. I want to see if it's running at all. That's gonna take too long. Let's put these numbers lower. Even 2000 might take long. I also want to check one more thing. Alright, so it's doing that, and also that should be around the same. Okay. This should not take as long. I'm gonna check what other challenges might be easy. Oh, it's so laggy when I go out of anything. Oh, it found one. It found it. It found the missing one. Alright, so I need to put these in hex though. Alright, 3B and 144. And this is please work. Pog. Alright. I not do ours? Oh, I still have to do it. Alright. Dimensionally corrupted gnsCTF dimension. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Let's finish up RSA because I think we almost had it. It was just lagging out. Factor db, and then uncipher this thing. This should work. Oh, it worked. Okay, that was a lot faster than the other method. It has to be in. It's a short flag. Oh, alright, works. Not complaining. Shifty, let's try. Oh, what is this? Oh no. Alright. Shift the flag. So shifted is that. God, I don't like these. They're simple, but I don't. Hmm. Alright. I guess we'll have to. First off, let's just see. Alright. So how do we go about doing this? I'm gonna make this less messy. Alright, and then this is minus 33 plus shift percent 94. So it's 94 total characters before it wraps around, and it starts at 33. I don't know if there's any significance to that though. Probably doesn't matter. Hmm. I wonder what happens if I replace this here, and instead of shifting by 33, I shift by 94 minus 33. Right, I think. I don't know. I'm blanking out here. Let's just try this first. That doesn't do anything useful. That also doesn't do anything useful. Okay. Maybe we also have to do this backwards. Oh god. Actually, I just don't like Rev. We're doing this last. What's fun? This is probably pretty doable. Um, okay, so this is another JS problem. Uh, so it takes the flag, takes 8 first characters as a modifier, uh, then it sets a result equal to the flag, makes some function, and then looping over the flag, each result character, so which is the flag, will be added by a specific amount based on modifier. So well, modifier is just the first 8 characters. So gnsCTF like that is 7, and then there's one extra character. And then okay, so if we find out what the modifier is, which is just one extra character, so pretend it's that, then we can run this code on the output and just subtract, because all this is doing is adding. And we have the same value each time, because the modifier is constant. So let's try that. so let's make an alphabet here. And then for let I equals 0, I and then we do this, but we set the modifier equal to modifier is already up here. Oop, what did I do? No. That should work, right? And then we subtract, and then we also have to set secret key equal to what we have here, right? This, oh no, we have to result dot oh no, it's not a function? So I have to do the dumb thing. Oh, it did a thing. That doesn't look correct. What did I do wrong? Does modifier have to be a... I think modifier has to be something like this. Oh, oh, what happened? This is definitely a flag, we just have to find the correct brute forced one. I think it's this. Yeah, Pog. Alright. I don't know how many we have left. We're at 7,850. Okay. One sec, I gotta flex on LeBron Goat. Oh god, oh no, the lag. think I might have to make this 3 parts because I'm getting tired. Alright, we can keep going though. Let's do another. Um, unsolved. There's only 5 unsolved. Let's do hamming. Or actually, hamming is boring. Uh, I don't know why this is saying Python request modules. Hmm. All right, I guess let's solve let's solve blast to the past. Maybe event keeper. I think they would have to other than the school website. So let's just it could be on maps. Let's check. Oh my God, this is so laggy. Hmm. I don't know. Is it on Reddit too? Let's try. Maybe the last one has some more information. I might stop soon. It's been a bit. No archives. Okay. Um I hate OSINT. Oh, maybe it's in Wikipedia. Events. Uh, we got it. Ha! I knew it. Where's the change? gnsCTF. we go. Alright, that one wasn't hard. It would be if I didn't search up the problem, but alright. How many? I want to do this, but there's really only 4 problems left. There aren't any more, because all these are these are the last ones of their bundle. I'm gonna finish hamming. It's an easy challenge. Uh, alright. Let's clean this up a bit. Alright. So we just need to edit hamming to chunk. And we need to, instead of taking out the hamming codes, we need to make sure the hamming codes actually have like some purpose. It's done elsewhere here to find the error location. So like that. And now we know where, oh shoot, we know where the error is. So I think we can just do chunk error location equals 1 if, oh shoot. Okay, so if it is 0, it'll become 1 and not the right. Okay, so it flips it, and that should be it. CD hamming flags. Python 3 HBMP to PNG. Not enough values to unpack. Expected 2, got 1. I think I have to do I and then bit. Let's do enumerate chunk. It's not subscriptable. Okay, so we don't need to do that. We just need this, I think. String object does not support item assignment. Can only concatenate string, not int to string. Oh. Alright, that should work. Please work. Pog. Alright. E14HL. Pog. Alright. 3 left. I want to take a break, to be honest. I can finish this, but it's gonna be pain. So that goes I think, right? QRS and then element O. Okay. 1 is dash dash. Oh, I have to do all this stupid stuff again. Alright, so 1 is dash dash and dash dash is 5, so we get the fifth one, which is M. Nothing there. Third is dot X, which is dot slash 3. Let's get rid of this. And then fifth one is, oh my god, the beast advertisements. Shoot. Fifth one is dot dot. So that's 1. So C. And then sixth, we don't know. And seventh is dash. So that's 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X dot, so slash dot, which is 7. So slash dot is slash, wait, yeah, okay, slash dot, which is O, and then slash slash is 9, so that just takes the same. Alright, so now we put this. So this is where I was last time, but I just don't understand. Okay, which ones are we missing? We are missing, not dot dot, we are missing, we are missing dot dash. So we are missing 2. We are also missing dot slash. no dash dot. Okay, we're missing 4, which is E, so D and E. And I think we're also missing 8, because we have dash dash, we have dash slash, we have slash dot, and we don't have slash dash, so R. So we're missing D, E, and R. So let's make a list. So first one, D, D, this needs to be ER, and this needs to be RE. Next, let's do E. So this needs to be DR, and this needs to be RD. And then we need one for R. So this needs to be D, E, this needs to be ED. And that should be it, right? Alright, none of these work. Huh. gonna stop for now. How do I pause? Alright. I'm gonna save these. Okay. I will finish the rest at a later date, but for now,